All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at that. Not at this, but I mean, look at this. Look at this. Larevo Knives Laterus. Check it out in its beauty. Mike Norris stainless Damascus blade, and of course bolsters, and of course clip, right? Look at the pattern. Did I also miss the backspacer? Hello? Yeah. Oh, what about this? Did I just miss that? Whew. The carbon fiber crosscut is exceptional up against the Mike Norris pattern. Look at that. Look at this shot. Oof. Titanium liners. Check out it's very good. Like here, oof, it's a pleasure. Tolerances. Boom. Check it out. Sick. This is ridiculous. Good. Nice pivot collar. Look at the finish on the spacer. Perfectly flush, like here. It is a beauty. Tantal. Hollow ground. Boom. Jimped. Sharpening choil. Guys, you got pretty much the whole package. Would you look at that? And it comes in a 3.5-inch blade with, I would say, 3.25-inch cutting edge with a handle of 4.75 inches, 8 inches for the totally deployed blade length on this Laterus from Larevo Knives. This is a gorgeous one. I love it. It has a great action, super smooth. Tolerances are tight. Runs on bearings. The patterns are great. The sculpted clip is perfect. I love it. Great design language. The inconspicuous flipper tab is top notch. Look at that. Disappears. And you think, oh, this is not going to work. Dude, this works. Check it out. Nice lock up. Boom. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, it is a very, very good one. I like it. Nice and pointy right here. Boom. But the action, it's something I really was impressed with. See if we are going to be impressed with the weight on this fella. What do you think? What do you think? And 3, 2, 1, boom, make your bets. 6.09 ounces. So it's you can feel it. It's a beefy one. Feels great in the hand. Reverse grip also works well. No blade play. This is a solid one, and smooth and tight. Tolerances are ridiculously good on this one. Look at that. Bam. Laterus. Oops. Laterus. In the house. Sorry about that last one. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.